I'm guessing this is the line to get into the memorial. You can't just walk into the memorial, you gotta have a pass. Okay, we can really start to see One World Trade Center light up here. This is going to be a very nice tower, along with the rest of the World Trade Center complex. Let's continue. Okay, I was just able to find out the actual steel of Tower 1 right now is at 86.
Like, we're totally flexible. I mean, we could take it on and make faces whatever.
Is that the new World Trade Center?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah.
True, man.
That's the Freedom Tower you're looking at.
The Freedom Tower, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Easy building.
I guess they technically gave it two names, really.
Yeah.
It's called One World Trade Center and the Freedom Tower.
True, true.
Well, they actually changed it from the Freedom Tower, but people still call it that.
It's a good name for it, yeah.
Yeah. And right here is Tower 4.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The other one that fell?
Well, Tower 4 originally, was underneath the two originals.
Yeah.
Like the two originals, it was just 1 and 2.
Mm.
See, Towers 3, 4, 5, and 6 were underneath the originals. So when they collapsed, they were crushed
yeah.
under the rest of the rubble.
It's nuts, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, take her easy. Thanks for that little briefing, man.
No problem.
Take care.
Have a good night. I'm just trying to get a really detailed look for you. Looks like here's the base of Tower 3 again. It's definitely gotten higher since I was here last. I still see that one of the cranes is higher than the other one, but progress is definitely being made on Tower 3. Okay, here's a somewhat better look of Tower 3's base. There's definitely been a lot of progress since I was here during my last update. Again, it looks like the cranes haven't moved, but I'm seeing a lot more of the base starting to rise up.